Looking for an electric car jack that won't drain your wallet? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're talking about the 5 best budget electric car jacks that offer great performance at an affordable price. If you need something reliable for tire changes or emergencies without spending a fortune, keep watching. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Airow Electric Floor Jack. The Airow multifunctional hydraulic floor jack is a must-have tool for anyone who drives heavy vehicles. Built to lift up to 5 tons, it handles cars and trucks with ease. Thanks to its 12-volt electric motor, lifting is fast and effortless, perfect for roadside emergencies. But this tool does more than just lift. It features an integrated inflator pump, allowing users to adjust tire pressure on the spot. Plus, the built-in LED light improves visibility during nighttime repairs or low-light conditions. Weighing just 4.5 kilograms, it's light enough to carry anywhere. Mechanics and drivers alike will appreciate its portability and ease of use. The full kit includes a safe hammer, plastic toolbox, battery clamp, and more. This all-in-one design makes it ideal for home garages and on-the-go maintenance. The Airow jack is truly a compact, reliable solution for tough jobs. Second product on our list, Psezjc 0084 Electric Hydraulic Jack. The Psezjc 0084 car electric hydraulic jack is a powerful and reliable tool designed for heavy-duty lifting. With a massive 15-ton capacity, it's ideal for trucks and large vehicles. This electric jack replaces manual effort with smooth, efficient power, making tire changes faster and safer. Compact yet strong, it measures 58 centimeters in length and weighs just 13 kilograms. Its overhead crane design adds stability during lifting, ensuring precise and controlled operation. Whether on the road or in a workshop, it's built to handle tough tasks. Standing at 20 centimeters high and 28 centimeters wide, it's space-saving yet dependable. Drivers will appreciate how easily it fits into a truck toolbox or service kit. This model, the TK0084, is more than just a jack. It's a labor-saving rescue tool for emergencies. Strong, compact, and easy to operate, it's a must-have for professional drivers and fleet operators. Third product on our list, VEVOR 5-ton electric car jack. The VEVOR 5-ton 12-volt electric car jack kit is a must-have for any vehicle owner. Designed for cars, trucks, and SUVs, it has a powerful lifting capacity of up to 5 tons. This electric jack connects to your car's 12-volt outlet, making it easy to lift your vehicle quickly, especially during emergencies. The kit includes an impact wrench, ensuring fast tire changes without hassle. It also features a convenient LED light, so you can work in low-light conditions with ease. With a lifting range of 13.5 centimeters to 36 centimeters, this hydraulic jack can accommodate various vehicle sizes. Compact yet powerful, the VEVOR electric car jack kit is portable and easy to store. Whether for roadside emergencies or garage use, it offers speed, safety, and efficiency when you need it most. A reliable tool for any car owner. Fourth product on our list, VEVOR electric car jack. The VEVOR electric car jack is a powerful and efficient tool for tire changes and roadside emergencies. With a maximum capacity of 3 tons, 6,600 pounds, it's perfect for sedans, SUVs, trucks, and vans. This electric scissor jack makes lifting your vehicle quick and easy, with 2 lifting head options for different vehicle types. In just 2 minutes, this jack can lift your vehicle up to 16.5 inches, eliminating the hassle of manual jacking. The lifting range is flexible from 5.1 inch to 14.6, with a short head, and 6.7 to 16.5 with a long head, providing versatility for various needs. Compact yet powerful, this jack is ideal for home garages or emergencies on the road. However, always ensure it's used on a flat surface for optimal safety. For anyone seeking reliability and speed, the VEVOR electric jack is a must-have. Fifth product on our list, Seesii 5 electric car jack. The Seesii 5-ton electric car jack is built for power, safety, and convenience. Designed to lift SUVs, MPVs, and trucks, it connects to any 12V power outlet for fast, effortless lifting. With a maximum capacity of 5 tons, it handles heavy vehicles with ease. Its integrated hydraulic system delivers stable and reliable performance, even in emergency situations. But it's more than just a jack. This tool also features a built-in tire inflator pump, allowing users to quickly re-inflate flat tires on the spot. The compact design is easy to store, yet durable enough for rough conditions. Whether at home or roadside, it's ready when needed. Additionally, it comes with essential car dismantling tools, making tire changes faster and simpler. For drivers who want a complete tire solution in one unit, the Seesii 5-ton electric jack is a smart, all-in-one investment.